Price Analysis 628, BTC, ETH, BNB, ADA, DOGE, XRP, DOT, UNI, BCH, LTC. Bitcoin, BTC, is attempting to stage a relief rally, but analysts at JPMorgan Chase believe that the short-term setup looks challenging. However, the analysts also pointed out that the crypto markets had started a healing process. A sign of this healing process was seen when the crypto markets did not react negatively to the news that the United Kingdom's Financial Conduct Authority banned Binance Markets Limited from undertaking any regulated activity in the UK. Daily Cryptocurrency Market Performance. Source, Coin360. When a market reacts negatively to bad news, it is a sign that weaker hands are panicking and dumping their positions. On the other hand, a muted reaction to negative news indicates that investors are not falling prey to FUD, which is a sign of strength. The crypto sentiment may have received a boost due to the strong support for Bitcoin from Mexico's third richest man Ricardo Salinas Pliego. The billionaire tweeted that he recommended the use of Bitcoin and was also working with his bank to make it the first in Mexico to accept Bitcoin. With the sentiment turning positive, can Bitcoin pull the crypto sector higher? Let's study the charts of the top 10 cryptocurrencies to find out. BTC/USDT. Bitcoin is again facing resistance at the 20-day exponential moving average, $35,252, but the positive sign is that the bulls have not given up much ground. The positive divergence on the relative strength index suggests that the bears may be losing their grip. BTC/USDT Daily Chart. Source, Trading View. If buyers propel the price above the 20-day EMA, the BTC/USDT pair could rise to the 50-day simple moving average, $38,603. This level may act as a resistance, but if the bulls can push the price above it, the pair may rise to $42,451.67. The bears are likely to defend the $42,451.67 level aggressively. If the price turns down from this resistance, the pair could drop to the 20-day EMA. A strong bounce off this support will suggest that the sentiment has turned positive, and that will increase the possibility of a break above $42,451.67. Conversely, if the price turns down from the current level, the bears may pull the price to the $31,000 to $28,000 support zone. A break and close below this zone could intensify selling and clear the path for a decline to $20,000. ETH/USDT. Ether, ETH, again bounced off the $1,728.74 support on June 26, indicating accumulation at that level. The bulls will now try to push the price above the 20-day EMA, $2,178. If they manage to do that, the biggest altcoin could rally to the downtrend line. ETH/USDT Daily Chart. Source, Trading View. However, this is not going to be easy because the downsloping moving averages and the RSI in the negative territory suggest that bears are at an advantage. The failure to break and sustain the price above the 20-day EMA could attract another round of selling. If bears sink the price below $1,728.74, the selling could pick up momentum as traders who may have purchased the recent dips could rush to the exit. The ETH/USDT pair could then start the next leg of the downtrend that may reach $1,536.92. BNB/USDT. Binance Coin, BNB, turned down from just below the 20-day EMA, $320, on June 25, but the bears could not pull the price down to the critical support at $211.70. This suggests that bulls are trying to form a higher low at $264.26. BNB/USDT Daily Chart. Source, Trading View. However, the downsloping moving averages and the RSI below 42 suggest that the bears have the upper hand. If the price turns down from the current level or the 20-day EMA, the bears will try to pull the price below $264.26. If they do that, the pair could drop to the critical support at $211.70. A break and close below this support may start the next leg of the downtrend that could stretch to $126.75. On the other hand, if the bulls thrust the price above the 20-day EMA, the BNB/USDT pair could rise to the 50-day SMA, $383, and then to $433. ADA/USDT. Cardano, ADA, has been trading between the 20-day EMA, $1.39, and $1.20 for the past 4 days. This suggests that the bulls are attempting to form a higher low at $1.20. ADA/USDT Daily Chart. Source, Trading, View. If the bulls can drive the price above the 20-day EMA, the ADA/USDT pair could rise to the 50-day SMA, $1.58. This level may act as a resistance, but if the buyers can propel the price above it, the pair may rally to $1.94. The 20-day EMA is flattening out and the RSI is above 45, suggesting that bulls have a good chance to make a comeback. This positive view will invalidate if the bears sink the price below $1.20. That could pull the price down to $1. DOGE/USDT. Dogecoin, DOGE, could not rise above the 20-day EMA, 27 cents, on June 25, but the positive sign is that the bulls have not given up much ground in the past 2 days. This suggests a lack of aggressive selling by the bears. DOGE/USDT Daily Chart. Source, Trading, View. If the bulls do not allow the price to drop below 21 cents, the possibility of the DOGE/USDT pair breaking above the 20-day EMA increases. The pair will again face stiff resistance at the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern. A break above it will be the first indication that the correction may be over. On the contrary, if the price turns down from the current level and breaks below 21 cents, a retest of 15 cents is likely. A break below this level could start the next leg of the downtrend to 10 cents. XRP/USDT. The bears do not seem to be willing to wait for XRP to reach the 20-day EMA, 74 cents, before shorting. This suggests that the sentiment is bearish and traders expect further downside from the current levels. XRP/USDT Daily Chart. Source, Trading, View. If the bears sink the price below the psychological support at 50 cents, the selling could intensify and the XRP/USDT pair could drop to the support line of the descending channel. This level may act as a support, but the extent of the pullback will give clarity whether the correction is over or not. Contrary to this assumption, if the bulls push the price above the 75 cents resistance, it will signal strong buying at lower levels. The pair could then move up to the 50-day SMA, 96 cents, and then to $1.07. DOT/USDT. Polkadot, DOT, is currently stuck in a tight range between $13 and $16.93. A tight consolidation near critical support indicates weakness and it usually resolves in favor of the bears. DOT/USDT Daily Chart. Source, Trading, View. Both moving averages are sloping down and the RSI is in the negative zone, indicating that bears are in control. A break and close below $13 could open the doors for a further decline to $10 and then to $7.50. On the other hand, if the bulls can push the price above the 20-day EMA, $18.72, it will suggest accumulation at lower levels. The DOT/USDT pair could then rally to the overhead resistance at $26.50. UNI/USDT. Uniswap, UNI, has been trading in a tight range of $15.10 to $18.60 for the past few days. The bulls are currently trying to push the price above this range in the 20-day EMA, $19.86, but it is not going to be easy. UNI/USDT Daily Chart. Source, Trading, View. The downsloping moving averages and the RSI in the negative zone suggest that bears are in control. If the price turns down from the overhead resistance, the bears will try to sink the UNI/USDT pair below $15. If that happens, the pair may challenge the critical support at $13. A break below this level could extend the downtrend to $10 and later to $7. Alternatively, if the bulls propel and sustain the price above the 20-day EMA, the pair could rally to the 50-day SMA, $25.24. This level may act as a resistance, but if the bulls can push the price above it, the rally may reach $30. Related, biggest ever mining difficulty drop, 5 things to watch in Bitcoin this week. BCH/USDT. The bulls are attempting to push Bitcoin Cash, BCH, to the breakdown level at $538.11. This is an important resistance to watch out for because the 20-day EMA, $543, is just above it. Therefore, the bears will try to defend the resistance aggressively. BCH/USDT Daily Chart. Source, Trading, View. The downsloping moving averages and the RSI below 43 indicate that bears have the upper hand. If the price turns down from the overhead resistance, the bears will once again try to pull the BCH/USDT pair to $370. This is an important support, and if the price rebounds off it, The pair may consolidate between $370 and $538.11 for a few days. Conversely, a break below $370 could start a decline to the next support at $300. LTC/USDT. Litecoin, LTC, rebounded off the $118 support on June 26 but the bounce lacks strength. This suggests a lack of aggressive buying by the bulls at the current levels. LTC/USDT daily chart. Source, Trading View. Both moving averages are sloping down and the RSI is in the negative zone, suggesting that bears have the upper hand. If the price turns down from the 20-day EMA, $148, the sellers will try to pull the price below the $118 to $104.92 support zone. If they succeed, the LTC/USDT pair will complete a descending triangle pattern, which could result in a fall to $70. Contrary to this assumption, if the bulls can push the price above the downtrend line, the bearish setup will be invalidated. That could start an up move to the 50-day SMA, $192, and later to $166.45. The views and opinions expressed here are solely those of the author and do not necessarily reflect the views of Cointelegraph. Every investment and trading move involves risk. You should conduct your own research when making a decision. Market data is provided by BTC Exchange.